Hi dear friends, welcome back to Anna Karna's vlogs. Today we are diving into a bold prediction from tech visionary Mark Zuckerberg. Tech visionary and Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg has made a bold prediction. Smart glasses will replace smartphones as the next major platform. For decades, our phones have been our constant companions, used for communication, information, and even as a comfort blanket in our daily lives. But according to Zuckerberg, this era is set to change. I think the trend in computing is to become more ubiquitous, more natural, more social. He explains. In his vision, the next major platform won't be a handheld device at all, but rather wearable smart glasses that integrate seamlessly into our everyday interactions. Zuckerberg predicts that within the next decade, smart glasses will surpass smartphones in popularity and practicality. By the 2030s, he foresees a world where people rely on smart glasses for everyday tasks, leaving their smartphones in their pockets more often. While smartphones will still serve specific purposes, the convenience and hands-free functionality of smart glasses are expected to make them the preferred choice for routine activities. There will come a point where your smartphone will be more often in your pocket than out, Zuckerberg stated, signaling a paradigm shift where convenience and ease of use take precedence over traditional device capabilities. What can smart glasses do? Smart glasses are set to revolutionize how we interact with digital content. With augmented reality features, they can project real-time information directly into the wearer's field of vision. These glasses will function as personal assistants, providing navigation, instant news updates, and answers to questions, all while blending digital data seamlessly into the physical world. For nearly 3 decades, smartphones have ruled our lives, transforming from simple communication tools to powerful pocket-sized computers. But what if we told you that the smartphone era may soon be coming to an end? Imagine a world where you no longer need to pull out your phone. Instead, real-time updates, navigation, and even video calls happen right in front of your eyes without distractions. Tech giants like Meta and Apple are investing billions into this technology, betting that by the 2030s, people will prefer hands-free, immersive experiences over traditional screens. Envision a time as early as the 2030s when these high-tech glasses are not just accessories, but essential tools capturing moments, playing music, and even making calls. This is not science fiction, it is a natural evolution of technology. Mark Zuckerberg's on foray into this realm with the release of smart glasses in collaboration with Ray-Ban already hints at the future. Equipped with cameras, speakers, and microphones, these glasses promise to blend innovation with everyday convenience. Smart glasses will act as your personal assistant, seamlessly integrating digital content into your daily routine. Need directions? A glance will guide you. Checking messages? No more scrolling. Just see them in your field of view. But will smart glasses truly replace smartphones? Or is this just another tech trend? Privacy concerns, battery life, and public adoption remain challenges. Mark Zuckerberg's vision of smart glasses replacing smartphones is definitely interesting. While the idea of glasses with augmented reality capabilities has been around for a while, the technology hasn't quite reached the level where people would prefer them over smartphones. However, if Meta or other tech giants can develop lightweight, stylish, and highly functional smart glasses, they might eventually become mainstream. One thing is certain, the way we connect and interact with the technology is evolving faster than ever. Are you ready for the next digital revolution? Smartphones vs smart glasses? Do you think people would actually give up their phones for glasses, or will both coexist? Please give your opinions as comments. Thank you. Thank you for watching.